Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos. Welcome to Praia da Falésia, Cliff Beach, one of the most breathtaking beaches in Portugal's Algarve region. Stretching along the southern coast, this stunning destination combines dramatic landscapes with tranquil vibes. From its towering cliffs to its crystal clear waters, this hidden gem promises an experience that will leave you mesmerised. Now let's talk about the beach itself. Praia da Falésia boasts over 8 kilometres of pristine golden sands. That's right, plenty of room to find your perfect spot. Whether you prefer laying down a towel to soak up the sun or taking a leisurely stroll across the water's edge, the sand is soft and inviting, and the gentle waves make it an ideal spot for families and solo travellers alike. The cliffs. These vibrant formations are a true natural wonder. Layers of orange, red and white sandstone rise dramatically above the beach, creating a scene so striking it feels almost otherworldly. Spanning for miles, the cliffs are like a geological timeline, etched by nature. Whether you're gazing up from the sands below or admiring them from the Clifftop trail, their beauty is absolutely captivating. Now, speaking of the trail, if you're up for a bit of adventure, the Clifftop walking route is a must. Imagine strolling along a path with endless views of the Atlantic Ocean on one side and the dramatic cliffs on the other. It's perfect for a peaceful morning hike or an evening walk as the golden sunlight softens the rugged landscape. With each step, you'll uncover new angles of the stunning coastline. The light breeze and the rhythmic sound of waves lapping below. It's an experience that feels calming and serene. If you're someone who loves a little action, the beach also offers plenty of water activities. Paddleboarding is a favourite here, letting you glide across the clear calm waters while soaking in the surrounding views. Or take a refreshing dip. The water is incredibly clean and just the right temperature. Whether you're looking for relaxation or adventure, the beach truly has something for everyone. And when hunger strikes, you're in luck. Just a short walk from the beach, you'll find charming cafes and beach bars ready to serve up local Portuguese cuisine. Grab a cool drink, find a seat with a view, and let the scenery take care of the rest. As the day finally winds down, Praia da Falésia transforms into something even more magical. The setting sun casts golden light across the cliffs, deepening their colours and painting the sky with shades of pink, orange and purple. It's a sight that's impossible to capture fully in photos. You just have to experience it in person. So, whether you're here for relaxation, adventure, or simply to immerse yourself in the beauty of nature, Praia da Falésia delivers on every single level. It's not just a beach, it's an unforgettable destination. So, when you plan your next trip to Portugal and the Algarve, make sure this treasure is on your list. Until next time, happy exploring. We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.